Alright, horn salute if everything's worked. Haven't washed a car in a couple years. Well, this car just had a bath. Outside stall works good here, so busy. Downtown Clinton. Marine Pest Control. Yeah, windows are open, doors are open. I never seen a door open in a chamber before. Yeah, just go straight. Go past the jail. Make sure mini fuck Cooper here. Yeah, you can tell who hasn't washed her shit. I guess Bread of Life's down. Oh, it's King's Appliances now. Check that out. Oh, King's used to be up there by the License Bureau, Mel. Somebody riding the Katy Trail. Bike there. Donut Lady's gone. T-shirt factory and Glasscock Jewelers. Take you a different way today. Looks like the gun shop, I guess what it is opened. I guess this guy's got some pretty cool shit inside the shop. Gotta know him to get in, I guess. Bad boys. There's a house rent right across the rental. What you gonna do when we come for you? You do not want to go to that place unless you like bologna sandwiches. Bologna sandwiches in bad company. Mormons used to stay in that place. Then I guess this was a cheese factory, and jobs go, they leave. This is Main Street, yeah. Big ass house. Oh well, that's kind of neat. It's a little circular rock structure thing, like a tower. Public housing. Then they killed, this is her part, they killed, Audrey's boyfriend here a few years ago. So yeah, we've been prone to violence around here. Kind of the darker area of the hood. And there's my junkyard. My junkyard. Sure. So I guess Noah got himself a brand new truck. Company truck, of course. Look at that race car, guys. Looks like they're selling some shit if they're sitting on that front row like that, people looking. Town's busy today. Made a couple videos, ain't posted shit yet. Nice Challenger, like the color of that. Right now we're going to Pal's Meat. Mel likes to play with Pal's Meat. Yeah, we got our tax refund and already it's gone. So it's, remember back in the 90s, it'd be like go down to Hen House and get the seafood once a year because we had money to buy seafood from once a year. Looks like they're trying to get it open. Maybe by summertime. Pal's Meat Company. Home of the big cow butt there. Yeah, we just washed the car. So this is where all the people come and kill deers and process this shit. At decent prices. Seafood, meats, jerkies. Even a little bit of that. So hit my like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.